How to add Snapchat from QR code. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to add someone on Snapchat using their QR code, which is Snap code, here's what you need to do. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application, log into your account, and also make sure that the Snapchat application is up to date. Now on the camera screen, you need to point your camera at the friend's Snap code, which is the yellow Coast QR code. You can find it from their profile. And after scanning, you will see their profile pop up, and it will also provide you the option to tap Add Friend. Tap on that. And the alternative method is to add Snap code from your gallery. You can open Snapchat, tap on your profile icon in the top left, and then tap on the Add Friends button from the Friends tab. Now tap on the Snap code or scan from camera roll, which is in the right hand side of the screen. Select the Snap code image saved on your phone, and Snapchat will scan it and let you add the friend. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and add friends or anyone on Snapchat from their QR code. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.